Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sansi motion sensing LED security light. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product and want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a nice and simple retail box. We can see their logo and branding on it, and we can learn more about the light. It's a 45 watt LED light, 6,000 lumens, 5,000 kelvins is the color temperature, so it's gonna have your nice daylight, bright light. And it's got 3 motion sensing modes: auto, dusk to dawn, and your standard switched lighting mode. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user manual right here, complete with step-by-step instructions walking you through the setup and installation process. They even have charts, diagrams, and illustrations for you. Next, you can see all the contents that we need to install the light. So we got our gasket, we got our wire nuts, we have our bracket and our screws. And then we have the security light itself. This looks really nice with its white finish in the Sansi logo at the top. We can pivot these out and rotate them almost 360 degrees. So you can see it goes all the way there and then all the way back to that spot on the other side. And then we can bring it all the way in or all the way out like that. So it's got this really cool LED wing arm. Same can be said for the other side as well. They look great, really nice. Full flexibility and range right there to light up whatever you want outside. Then we can look at the motion sensor right here. So we can see in more details that we have a couple different modes: our auto mode, our on time mode, and our dusk to dawn mode. And then we also have our test mode as well. Looking at the back side and the bottom side of the motion detector, you can see we have our brightness adjustment right here. We have our timer adjustment right here from 1 to 10 minutes. And we have our range sensitivity adjustment right here as well. Then we can look at the back side of the light. We can see our 3 wires. So we have our green, our white, and our black wire, and then a nice finish right here on the back side. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed. We're gonna install the light in this electrical box. Make sure before doing any electrical work that you disconnect the power. Now we need to go ahead and install the included bracket. So we can go ahead, we can use the bracket and the screws that they gave us. With a Phillips head screwdriver, we're gonna put 1 screw there and 1 screw there to secure the bracket in place. With the bracket in place now, we can go ahead and attach the ground screw. It's the green screw that they gave us, and it's going to go right here where it says GND. We have the ground screw installed now, and we're ready to connect our wires. Make sure you feed the wires through the gasket first before making your connections, and then match them up with each other. So this bare copper wire is going to be our ground wire. That's going to connect to the green wire on the light. Our white wires, our neutral wire, that's going to connect to the white neutral wire on our light. And our black wires are live wire, and that's going to connect to the black wire on the light. So go ahead, feed the gasket through the wires on the fixture right there. Now we can go ahead and we can use the included wire nuts right here and match the wires up and connect them. Now you can see we have all of our wires connected together, our white with white, our green with our green wire or bare copper wire, and our black wire with our black wire, all running through the gasket. Now we're ready to set the light on the fixture, and we're going to attach the last screw. Gently push the wires in place and set this on the box, keeping the gasket lined up too. Now we're ready to drop this down and tighten it in place. Once you have it tightened down, your last step is to insert the included cap. So we have all the studio lights turned off, and we have the light in test mode. As you can see, it registered my motion just fine. It's a very bright light, and I really like how much control we have over where the light's shining. So don't forget, we can really move this all the way around depending on what we're trying to light up. If we need to light up a back door, or a garage door, or a side door, or a sidewalk, anything along those lines, we can pivot each arm to whatever angle and direction we want to be able to light up that area. You can see super bright, and it's got that 5,000 Kelvin color temperature, so you can see it's that really bright daylight type of light. Now let's try it outside in the dark. Now we're outside in the dark and we have the light on. You can see how bright it is. It's lighting up the whole yard. So if you're looking for a bright outdoor motion sensing LED security light, Sansi has you covered with this light. I've also reviewed a lot of other Sansi products on my channel, so be sure to check out some of those videos that I've done. I gotta say, overall, really impressed with the design of this light and how bright it is. I love those wing arms and how you can basically adjust and rotate them to whatever angle you desire to light up whatever you want outdoors. It's a really cool light. Sansi continues to innovate and push things forward. In the future, I'd like to see maybe one more control where we could actually dim the light. If you don't want it that bright, you could actually control the brightness from the switch or the sensor. That would be really neat. Obviously, I'd like to see some other features too, like RGB and smart tech and a camera, but that continues to push the price point up and change the product category altogether. This is a simple, bright, outdoor LED motion sensing light, and it does its job phenomenally. So I'm really impressed with this product. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you, and we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything going on around here. Drop a comment below too. We can't wait to hear from you guys. And while you're at it, please follow us online: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, WeChat, Discord, TikTok. You can even check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.